take 2 because I'm an idiot. My original channel used to be a tech channel back in like 2012, and now I decided to launch it again with my new PC build. And this is take 2 because I forgot to hit record on my boom. Anyway, it's gonna be a Ryzen 3rd gen 3600 6-core 12 thread. Good for gaming and good for some productivity as well. And a whole lot of RAM, 32 gigs of 3200 gigahertz RAM, mostly because like After Effects, some projects just fully saturate 16 gigs very quickly. A trusty old Hyper 212, 1 terabyte of Intel NVMe storage. It's not the fastest, but should be pretty good. RTX 2060, some gaming peripherals, a Logitech G413 and a G502. I could have gone higher end with this, but honestly, I'm not gonna game a whole lot. Maybe some Borderlands, maybe some BeamNG. We'll see. And then an EVGA 850 BQ, semi-modular. That's like the most overkill for what the equipment I have, but it's the only thing in stock. Thanks, power supply shortages. And a ASRock X570. I went with X570 instead of B550, because 1, it's not really out yet, but 2, this is gonna give me a lot of future proofing, going to a bigger Ryzen 9, maybe even a 7, or I guess I got that backwards. Could go to a Ryzen 7, maybe even a 9 without any problems, and I can overclock. This should be a really good board. And yeah, BeQuiet, Pure Base 500. And yeah, I'm gonna clear off some stuff and bring you guys in closer. So I have the case, took the panels off, put them in a safe place. Let's move some of those. Okay, so Wi-Fi. I believe these are for the NVMe. This is my first time building a computer, so bear with me. Okay, done pretty much. I think all the Wi-Fi stuff can pretty much stay in here for now. YouTube videos make that seem much bigger. Okay guys, so I just finished hiding cables, or cable management. What do you think? Not too bad. I wish the 8-pin up here would be a little longer, just so it could be more hidden. And then, yeah, I know I'm using twist ties some places. That's not. That shouldn't be. Okay guys, so that took about 2 hours. Honestly, I'm pretty proud. Got my Proart monitor hooked up. This is ready to be powered up. Almost. And while we wait, and just to cause a little bit more anticipation, no signal. I'm super nervous. Oof.
One eternity later.
Yes! We have a post. All right. Let me arrange this a bit. Okay. Let's see, 32 gigs of RAM. Slow speed, but I'm not gonna really mess with that yet. RGB LED. I kinda like that. Okay, so as I was editing this video, I realized I don't really have a good outro for it. And I just want to give, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes now of thoughts about it. It's been really, really stable once I stopped messing with overclocks. Really fast for editing. If you look up Linus's 4K budget editing PC, they use a Ryzen 3600 with a 1660 or 1650. But the 2060 just gives me a lot more headroom for the future and to do effects with. But yeah, I added off a external SSD. Even though I have a 1 terabyte Intel NVMe drive, I still edit mostly off of a external SSD. So there's no real bottleneck there. Sometimes in scrubbing that can't keep up, but it's a lot better than my RAID array right there. And yeah, I really, really like the monitor. I really like the PC. It's really quiet. It does run a bit warm though, and I think that's one, this case doesn't have the best airflow. I took the side filters out because it was getting way too hot with the filters on. Like the graphics card would maintain during gaming at 85C. That's just too much. It's a lot cooler than my MacBook, but it's still a bit too hot for my liking. Yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully you subscribe, hopefully you like this first video, and there's a lot more to come.